Stop. Before you open a U.S. bank account, avoid one common mistake. Many people use a P.O. box or mail forwarding address on the application. Banks require a verified residential address for identity checks and regulatory reasons. If your address doesn't match your ID or proof, verification can fail. That failure can freeze your account, delay deposits, or block tax documents. Now here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Use your legal residential address exactly as shown on your ID. Step 2. Upload recent proof of address, utility bill, lease, or bank statement. Step 3. Do not use P.O. boxes or third-party forwarding services for verification. Step 4. If you moved, update your bank record before applying or upload updated ID. Step 5. Confirm verification with the bank and enable secure notifications and two-factor authentication. Double-check your address now. Fix it, and your U.S. bank account will work without delay.